I found the craziest information you need to know about automation. Let's dive into it.
I just built this simple web page and it can control this workflow. Let me show you how. First, let's start the workflow, and back on our web page, let's start the process. Now looking at the workflow, we can see that we hit this webhook, we started the workflow, we responded back to that web page, which is why we now have this option to upload a file. And the cool thing is that this workflow is now waiting for us to upload that file. So it's not progressing, nothing else is happening here. It's just simply waiting for us to proceed with the next step. Okay, so we're gonna be uploading this ChatGPT generated invoice that has a MacBook Pro on it. Let me just drag that in. Now that we have our file selected, let me upload the invoice to the n8n workflow. And in just a second, the invoice will drop into here and then get analyzed by this AI step. So now we're just going to pull out what is on that invoice, plug it into this agent so it can dynamically generate some buttons for us on that simple web page. There we go. Everything was sent back to that web page. And once again, we are just waiting for the next step. And here are those buttons that were generated. I'm just going to choose MacBook Pro and click on warranty claim and click continue. I'm back in the workflow. We're back on the agent step, generating some more options for us. And once again, just waiting with that wait node. Now on the front end, we can choose from some dynamically generated buttons. So I'm going to go with battery not charging as the issue for my MacBook, and also MacBook not turning on. Let's click continue, send it back to the workflow. And here we are back with the AI agent step. And once again, just waiting. Nice. And we have some troubleshooting steps suggested for us. And we're asked to enter our email address so that we could follow along with this claim. All right. And let's hit enter. And there we go. Now we get that email sent across to our Gmail account. And here is that email. Super simple. Just includes a summary of all the stuff that we chose on the front end. And now as a customer, I can follow along with my claims process. If you want to see a full walkthrough for this video, click the link in the description. See you next time.